Heated debate in Somalia's upper house of parliament. Senators debate a motion on the recent signing of a deal between the United Arab Emirates, Ethiopia and the breakaway enclave of Somaliland to operate the port of Berbera there. While the bill that aims to ban the Dubai Ports World from Somalia quickly sailed through the lower house, it's proving to be contentious in the Senate, whose 54 members represent the interests of Somalia's 6 federal states, which include Somaliland.
Does our government fear Ethiopia? Why are we not talking about Ethiopian interference in our affairs? Why are we only talking about UAE and Dubai Ports World when Ethiopia took a 19% stake in Berbera Port?
In the deal signed in Dubai recently, the port operator took a 51% stake in the port of Berbera. Somaliland retained 30%, while the remaining 19% goes to Ethiopia. Somalia and the UAE had frosty relations even before the port deal was signed. Somali government leaders say it's because of Somalia's refusal to side with countries including the UAE, which are blockading Qatar. When Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates and other countries cut diplomatic ties with Qatar last year, they insisted others in the Horn of Africa follow their lead. And that pitted the Somali federal government, which chose to remain neutral in the crisis, against most of its federal member states. The Somali government blames the UAE for courting the leaders of the 6 federal states and encouraging them to side with the blockading countries, posing a serious challenge to Somalia's already struggling state-building process.
It's true we are passing through tough times. It is true our economy is not doing well, but we shall never allow foreigners to take advantage of our weaknesses and interfere with our sovereignty.
Barely 2 months after he was appointed, Somalia's foreign minister is being given the responsibility of dealing with the fallout from the port deal.
We have no problem with investment in Somalia, any part in Somalia, including Somaliland. However, we will not negotiate or compromise on the sovereignty and the territorial integrity of Somalia.
Somaliland's relatively small port of Berbera exports livestock to the Middle East and imports food and other items, including for landlocked Ethiopia. All that's set to change as DP World says it's prepared to invest up to $442 million to develop the port. For Somaliland, the Dubai port deal is not only a financial windfall, but also a vote of confidence. And that is a major problem for Somalia, which views Somaliland as its sovereign territory. Mohammed Ado, Al Jazeera, Muqdisho, Somalia.